you know, make your cleaning routine easier. Well, according to them anyway. And let me just kind of like go over some of the specs here on the box. The battery capacity on this thing is a 3.7 volt, 2,500 milliamp battery, you know, 9.25 watt hours, which is pretty good battery for a little small spinner anyway. And the power output is a 10 watts, 3.7 volts. And then, you know what, it just came in this box right here. Let's open it up and let's see what we get. Well, pretty good packaging on this thing. The user manual here, we'll put these aside. The quick start guide looks pretty easy. Brush attachment and like a little, looks like a little waxing top attachment. The spinner head right here, that would probably be for like a toilet or bathtub or something. This looks like a Scotch-Brite, 2 Scotch-Brite pads. They have this Velcro backing on them. Oh, I see, look. Yep, just for like that. So that's kind of like a wax type thing, and these are Scotch-Brite pads. More brushes there. So the unit itself looks like it's these 2 pieces right here and a USB-C cable. So let me put all this up and then I'll come back and let me go over and we'll put this thing together and see where we go. Okay, everybody, looking over the instructions here. This thing, you couldn't get any simpler than this. It gives you a breakdown of everything that you get with it. The runtime, they're saying between 60 and 90 minutes, which is a lot. Really, everybody, it looks like all you do is do the attachment of the lock and you stick those 2 pieces together and you put a brush head on it, and that's it. To charge it, you're just going to charge it right here with the supplied USB cable. And then the indicator lights charging, fully charging. You got a high speed, there's low speed, high speed, and off. 2 speeds. So to put this thing together, you're going to lock it in there, and you see how it locks? It's pretty much together. And then to make it longer, you're going to mash that. See that? Now it's like a wand style, and it's locked. Put that in. Wow, that thing does not get any simpler than that. And then to put the scrubber brush on there, you're just gonna, there you go. How cool is that? There's the high. That's pretty simple, and it came out of the box fully charged for me. Let me go ahead and charge this thing up some more, and I've got an linoleum floor that gets pretty dirty. I'm gonna spray some cleaner down, and we're gonna go ahead and clean it up using this brush. So let's do that now. All right, I'm gonna do this little section right here with some grease lightning. You know, we all like some grease lightning. And then I can just go to town. Wow, that thing seems to be working pretty good. I'm gonna have to go back with a towel and wipe this up because this got really dirty. Okay, so there it is after I wiped it up. You can definitely see it got a little cleaner, but this floor is pretty dirty, and I'm gonna have to probably hit it a few more times to get it to clean up. But you can see the difference between over here that's not been done and right here it's been done. Okay, to change out the attachments, it looks like you're just gonna pull on them like that, so it pulls right off. And this is gonna be the bathtub scrubber right here, and it just kind of locks into place. And there you go. So let's go ahead and let's hit the bathtub some. Well, that works. It definitely works better on a bathtub than it did a linoleum floor. I'm impressed. And it's so much easier than using a scrub brush with your hand. That looks a lot better. This scrub brush right here, I think, is the best, in my opinion. Now let's try the one for the sink. We did the one for the bathtub. Now let's try this one for the sink. And what it does, it gets in these tighter little corners. I really like the way that brush looks too. Let me spray it. The sink isn't actually that dirty, but you can see a little bit of soap scum there. Oh yeah. That's one-handed operation. Pretty simple right there. All right, let's try to get up in here. See, I can get behind the sink. Y'all see that scum? It's easy to get like down in these corners right here. I've scrubbed this a few times, but it's been a while. This works great. I'm impressed with this one too. So yeah, I just cleaned all this area right here. That looks so much better. This thing works extremely well in bathrooms, and I'm sure it'll work just as good around the kitchen sink or something like that. But what I'm going to use it for also is clean up around my inside the car door panels and all that. I think this will be great to get down there because of the fact you can adjust it and move it around there. Very impressed with the electric spin scrubber. I recommend this thing. So yeah, that's all I got today, everybody, on the electric spin scrubber. See you all in the next video.